This is Taskia, and today I'm going to do my second slime collection because you know all the slimes except this one and this one. Because I just got these and I want to do another slime collection so you can see what they look. So you can see how they look. Sorry about the TV because it's distracting me. Okay, so let's start with the first one. The first one, I'm going to start with this clear one. And you already saw this one. If you don't know what this name is or you haven't watched the video when I was making my slime collection, this is called Crystal Slime again. It's very sticky. Now, this makes super good on pops. Biting on me. Now I'm going to show you this one, and it turned pink, but now it's purple, and it has crunch balls in it. Until I keep playing with it, you'll see it'll turn pink. If you can see, it's kind of turning pink. But it might take a very long time for it to be pink. Like, by the time we're done with this video, it's going to be pink. So really good. Okay. The next one. On to the next one. So the next one. Okay, guys.